Yo, it's actually working.
Yeah, it's hooked. It's a phone.
So can I do your number?
Yeah, it will ring. It will call me.
Really? All right, hold on.
Yeah, it's a real phone.
What do I do now?
Put it up to your ear. See?
Answer. I'm like, I'm supposed to. Hey, what do I do? Answer. Well, it's answering.
Hello?
That's cool.
Hello? Yes. Hello? Oh my gosh! The phone actually works!
Okay, just push it down. Wait, get off of it and just put it down. What?
Oh man, they'd have really flipped their lid if they'd have got one of them rotary phones. You know what I'm saying? That don't make me feel old. It make me feel, it confirms what I've always said, that Generation X is the greatest generation that ever touched the earth. I mean, we are hybrids. We are pre-digital. We are analog and digital. We ushered in the internet age. We helped create it. You know what I'm saying? And the greatest part of us is, if the internet lights turn off, we the last generation to remember how life was before, and we will survive. So tip your hat, Gen X's, Gen Xers. We awesome.